If you thought phishing was just emails, think again. Today we're at risk of scams on many platforms. Here are the top 5 to be aware of. Number 1. Phishing, the original. It's where criminals send you an email pretending to be someone else, like your bank, to try to get sensitive information. Number 2. Spear phishing. This is similar to phishing, but the attackers researched you, learning your name or address to make the scam more believable. Number 3. Vishing. This is the voice call version. Someone will call you from an unknown number and pretend to be calling from a familiar company. They'll try to check details or get you to make a payment. Hang up and call the company they pretended to be from. Number 4. Smishing. This is by SMS. They're trying to get you to tap a link. Look carefully at strange text messages and never tap the link. And number 5. Whaling. These attacks are planned over a long time and target someone with a high position, such as a CEO. When they work, they're very lucrative for the criminals. There are many more. How many have you heard of or experienced? We protect our clients from all sorts of scams. When you need a higher level of protection, call us first.